Hello friends and welcome you all in our YouTube channel Dimensions. Friends, today we are going to explore how we can create a different column in a Tekla environment. So let's start. Friends, this is our grid where we wanted to create the different column on that particular grid. Suppose I wanted to start with the A1 grid. Then you just go to the column and select the base point of this column. Suppose I am taking A1 grid, then simply click on that. As you can see, there is one column created here. The overall height of this column is near about 5.5 meter. If you want to change the profile and length as well as the material of this column, you can simply change it by using this window. As you can see here, the profile of this column is UV406 39 kg, for material is 2062 IS and class is 3. Class means it's a color. Suppose I am going to change it to the class 9, and I also wanted to change the material of this column. I am going to move with the IS 2062 GRB grade B, then apply OK. You can also change the profile of this column. If you want to change the profile of this column, simply just click here. Then another window of the profile are shown here. You can switch any profile of this I section, or you can also select some other section also. Suppose I am taking universal beam of 356 33 kg. Then simply just click on that and click on the apply OK and click on the modify here. Then the profile, material and class of this column is changed. If we talk about the orientation, then the orientation of this column we can clearly show on the top view. So just switch on the top view. Suppose I am switching on the plan 0. As you can see here, it is in vertical direction. If you want to change the orientation of this column, then click on the column. Here you can see here rotation is front. Simply just click on the top, then it will be 90 degree rotate. Okay. Now if you want to change the overall length of this column, then click on the column. Here you can see the top is 5 meter and bottom is minus 500 millimeter. Minus 500 means the distance of the column from the zero level is near about 500 meter. You can also measure it. Suppose I am taking vertical distance, picking one vertex of the column and 0 grid. Then it's a 500 millimeter. Here the dimension are given in the negative direction, means it's going beyond the 0 level. Suppose I want to make it 0 and I wanted to start our column from the 0 level. Then simply click on the column and put the 0 value in the bottom section. Now this is our column. Okay. Now sometimes we also need a column in a different orientation, like for example, as per the requirement of our design drawing, sometimes we need a different types of column, like this is our T column, and this is our star column, and this is our double leg column. If you want to make all this column in a Tekla structure, then the process is same. but we need to add some extra column along with the same column. Suppose we are creating one column in the vertical direction, and we also add one more column here with the same point. Then click on the same point, keep duplicate, select any of the column, then go to the profile. Here we will switch to the different profile. Let's say it's a T profile, T segment, and I'm going with the half UC. Suppose I'm selecting 305 97 kg. Then select any of the profile, then apply, OK. Now go to the modify. Now we are moving to the rotation. By default it's a top, and we are changing it to the front, then modify. If we see it from the top view, then it's shown like this. The work point is in middle of this section. Then we just need to move the work point. Suppose I am changing it to the down, so it's going to the up. Now it's okay. Suppose I wanted to change it to half UC. I'm taking different profile. Now it should look better. Okay. So this is our T column. In the similar way, we can also create the star column here. The process of the star column will also the same. First you need to create one vertical column. Change the profile. By default Tekla is considering the previous command, so take care of it. UC 305, and in the position I am taking the middle, so it will be created in the middle. Now again go to the column, then select the same grid, keep duplicate, select any of the column, change the orientation to the top. Let us show like box because both the geometry of the column is same. Moving to the different geometry. Suppose I am taking the T profile again, half UC, and moving to the 152 23 kg. Now, if we see it from the top view, then it will look like that. Move to the upward direction. No, that's left. Okay. Here we need to move with little bit more. Suppose I am taking 254. Then it's better. Here you can, here we need to create one more profile on this particular side. Then you can simply just select it and go to the mirror, select the axis of the mirror line, then copy, then OK. Or you follow the same process that we used to create this particular section. You have a number of options to create the same profile. Now this is our star column, this is our T column, and this one is our simple single leg column. Now if you want to create the double leg column, then click on the point, change the profile, high profile, UV section or UC section, whatever you want to, just click on the profile and select, then go to the modify. Here you also need to move to the middle line in the horizontal section. Now this is in the center, and if you want to offset from the grid, then type here 200 or 150 or 300, whatever distance you want to offset it. Suppose I am taking 300 millimeter, then it will be switched to the 300 millimeter. Now again create the same column on the same point, keep duplicate, click on the column, then put the negative value before the 300, then it will be switched to the other direction. So this is our double leg column. So creating a column in a Tekla software is much easier as you think. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends, and comment us what kind of video related to this software you wanted to watch or you wanted to learn. Please give us your precious feedback. Thank you.